Good afternoon, Hertzlians. We had a great start to the 2026 academic year with outstanding matric results and noisy schools. I have a short message about both topics, results as well as noise. Yesterday, Mr. Brawson attended the Western Cape Education Department's award ceremony at Leeuwenhof, the home of Premier Alan Winde. He was invited to receive the certificate that acknowledges Hertzlia's 8th position in the Western Cape, out of just over 450 public and private schools. This year we were measured against much larger schools because we had a matric group larger than 80. The result is one we are enormously proud of, so mazel tov again. Regarding the beautiful noise on our school campuses, this is definitely increasing as a result of being a cell phone free school, and we love the noise because children are talking and playing again. Many parents have asked the school to publish guidelines on technology and digital well-being to help them decide when to give their children cell phones and other devices and how to manage them collectively. So attached to this message is the result. The content comes from many hours of discussion, research and advice from education experts, and comes with full backing from the UHS board and the education professionals. It is meant to be an easy reference guide. We undertake to keep a close eye on further research results and might change certain recommendations accordingly in future. Our previous attempt to have blocking pouches in the high school failed, but we are working on cell phone lockers and in the primary schools, Chromebook lockers, where we can lock those Chromebooks to fulfill our obligations during school time. Parents, do not hesitate to reach out for help with recommended monitoring tools and safety settings. We wish you a happy 2026 and Shabbat Shalom.